Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing 6 daily affirmations that you can say to help your confidence.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I empower women to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so my video can reach more people. Also, make sure that you share it with your friends and family. When I say to say affirmations to yourself, I'm not telling you to lie to yourself. What you've been doing with the negative self-talk is lying to yourself. So all I'm asking is that you start telling yourself the truth. Instead of saying you're not good enough, switch it into I am enough. Instead of saying I can't do this, say I can and I will. So I'm going to get more into it, but I want to make sure that I say that even though you don't believe what I'm going to tell you to say to yourself as far as affirmations, doesn't mean that it's not true. And you feeding yourself these negative thoughts is not nice. And if you wouldn't say it to somebody else, then you shouldn't say it to yourself. The reason I say that is because I've had people come to me and say, well, so you want me to lie to myself? What if I don't believe it? And it's like, right now you won't believe it. But over time, when you keep saying it and looking in the mirror, eventually you'll see yourself going from this to this to this to like this. And I'm so excited for that to happen for you. But you have to take it day by day. Don't have too many expectations on it, but speak to yourself kindly. You doing this at least once a day is going to allow you to do it more times throughout the day and notice when you are speaking to yourself or others unkindly. So the first one that I have is one that I already mentioned, and that is I am enough. Or like one of my clients says, I am more than enough. This is true. You are more than enough. And once you start believing it, it will change your life. I promise. It will change your life when you believe that you are more than enough. The next one is I am loved. So say to yourself, I am loved. And if you look around in your life, even if you have one person that you know for a fact loves you, that's still one person. That's somebody who cares about whether or not you are speaking to yourself kindly or unkindly. So you are loved. Remember to tell yourself that you are loved, because it makes all the difference in the way that you move in the world. Because when you have somebody that cares about you, then you want to make sure that you do your best for yourself, so that way you're not bringing negativity into their life, because you also hopefully love them. And the third one is I accept all of me. So tell yourself, I accept all of me. And okay, so when you say these affirmations, say them in the mirror and smile at yourself. But if you feel like it's too far out there to smile at yourself, that's fine. Over time, that smile will come out. I guarantee you. Make sure that you're doing these every single day. Comment down below what your favorite affirmation is that has changed your life. So back to the third one, I accept all of me. Tell yourself at least once a day, I accept all of me. That's you accepting your flaws. That's you accepting your weaknesses. That's you accepting your strengths. Sometimes you might be down on yourself for having certain strengths that other people don't. So embrace your strengths, embrace your weaknesses, embrace your flaws. That is part of you. Accept it. Things that you can't change, you need to learn and practice to accept. So now the fourth one is I can and I will. And I said this earlier, and this is something that I tell myself every day. I got this one from, what is his name? Eric Thomas. I got this one from Eric Thomas, and this one I literally have written on my mirror. I don't know if you can see it. It says right there, I can and I will. I mean, obviously I have a lot more over here, but I have that one written on my mirror because it just reminds me every single day when I walk through that door or when I look myself in the mirror that I can and I will. And I have somewhere else, I can and I will, because I said that I would. And that's just like making sure that I don't break a promise to myself kind of thing. So I can and I will. Tell this to yourself, because when you say I can't or I don't want to, it's no. I can and I will. And that is just creating a different attitude. The fifth one is I believe in myself. And with this one, it's when you have disbelief in yourself, you need to build yourself up, because you can do whatever it is that you set your mind to. You just have to believe in yourself. And now I'm not going to sit here and act like all of these affirmations are going to be easy for you to believe, and this one specifically is going to be one where you're going to be like, yeah, I do believe in myself. Maybe you will, but also there's a chance that you might just be like, And with any of these that you're just like, sorry, with any of these that you're just like that with, just remind yourself that it's going to get better and better over time, and you're going to believe it more and more. So remind yourself, I believe in myself. Believe in yourself, believe that you can, and believe that you will create the change that you want to in your life. And the sixth one is I am in control of my life. Say it. I am in control of my life. You hold all the power, and as soon as you understand that and believe that, your life will change. It will change tremendously, because you are in control of your life. Whatever you think, whatever you say has an impact on the way that your life goes. And so if you choose to be mindful of what you say to yourself and what you say to others, then your life will start to trickle into a more positive, loving space. And it won't be so hard to get out of the bed in the morning. It won't be so hard to speak kindly to yourself. It's just going to take time and practice. These, again, are things that you say to yourself every single day, at least once a day. If you can say it more than that, then that is a bonus. I set reminders in my phone to breathe. I set reminders in my phone to remind my clients of what they need to do. So, bottom line is, set a reminder in your phone right now, so that way you can remember to say kind things to yourself. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. I upload every Monday through Friday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Also, if you are someone who lacks self-belief and has self-sabotaging habits, and you are ready to create the change that you know you deserve, and a change that's going to impact your life in a more loving, positive way, reach out to me on any of my social media that's down below. And also you can reach out to me on my website as well, and that is in the description below as well. So you can set up your connection call with me, and I can understand where you're at in life and where you're trying to go. That way I can see if what I deliver can actually get you there. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for your support. Remember to hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm, so that way you can reach more people. And also, always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.